Let's ask Liz Young, SoFi's head of investment strategy. She's with me right here at Post 9. Welcome.
Thank you.
1,300-point reversal. I mean, ginormous. Is it believable?
Yeah. I mean, you use the word stunning to say the least, I think. Look, you can't ignore when there are this many buyers in the market. Is it believable today? Sure. Is it durable for the next few weeks? I don't think so. And I think in the next couple days, we're going to see a revival in that downtrend, because you have to think about what really would have even been priced in today. Nothing got fundamentally better. I would almost argue things got fundamentally worse. And we've realized that we still don't have a handle on inflation. So there's nothing that really drives this from a logical perspective that would say, you know what, we're good, let's bounce, let's buy, and we're out of the woods.
How much more then do you think stocks have to go down before the sellers are completely exhausted? I mean, there still has to be a catalyst for the buyers to come in, regardless of what the sellers do.
Yeah. So there's certain levels that I would watch. The most recent low that we closed at was 35.85, right? I think we need to get down below that. But really, I still think that June low, that June closing low of 36.66, once you got below that, I would have expected a sell-off to go a further 5 to 10%. So that takes us down 10% to 3,300. In that 3,300 to 3,400 range, that's when you're flirting with 30% down from the January highs. That starts to price in a recession, and that's when I think you can start to talk about a buy signal.
I mean, we got down to 35.02 today. You wouldn't know it from looking at 36.69 as you're looking at it right now. What a move in the banks.
Yeah.
JP Morgan leading the charge. I mean, at one point, Citi had a 7% intraday reversal.
Yeah.
It's just stunning right as you get into the heart of earnings season, which is just around the corner beginning tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Well, and there's some anticipation that earnings season is going to see moves, but what we've seen in the banks in earnings in prior quarters is that as soon as they report and we hear the comments from the CEOs, they actually end up selling off for the most part. So we could end up giving some of that back. The other thing, though, that I would watch for as an investor over the next few weeks and even the next few months is a revival of that cyclical trade. Financials have not found upside, durable upside, and they're still priced very reasonably. They don't have much further to fall. So even if we do see a sell-off, I would expect financials to come out of that looking pretty good and looking pretty attractive.